Ransomware payments are now costing compromised Canadian companies more than $1 million on average. That's a nearly 150% increase in just 2 years. That's according to a new report from Palo Alto Networks, a cybersecurity firm, and Angus Reid Institute. It found that the average ransom paid increased significantly to more than $1 million, and average ransom demands more than doubled since 2021, rising from less than $500,000 to around $900,000. Companies in the manufacturing, construction, and healthcare sectors were targeted most. Despite the rise in ransom payments, the number of attacks actually decreased. Of the 1,000 companies asked, 35% said they were hit with ransomware, a 2% drop.
Ransomware, it's actually a new version of extortion attack.
Canada Research Chair Natalia Stanahova says the report isn't surprising. It's just as easy to steal or encrypt data from large companies as it is from small ones, and hackers will target those with money. Another potential cause for the increase, she says, rising prices.
I think we're all seeing inflation at the grocery stores. I think it's quite natural to see the increase in the ransom numbers.
Stahanova and the report say the best defense is awareness, to be on the lookout, and to keep your systems updated. Nathaniel Dove, Global News.